So how good is this Zaption program? Just go to www.zaption.com and you can get access to videos that you embed questions in. So here's a quick look at how to do it. So easy. Click on create a new lesson and it says, okay, where do you want to go and find a video? So you can just search on YouTube straight away. I'm going to search for a KUKA robot and just press return. It does a search on YouTube, finds a robot. So here's a bit of video that I want to watch and put questions in for the students to answer. So I'm going to click on add this video. It calls up the video and there's the whole video now. Now I don't want the whole video, so I'm going to say trim. I grab hold of this little blue marker and I can swing forward to where I want it to start, say about there. And I can grab this end marker and say I don't need to see the whole video, I just want about 3 minutes worth, let's say about there. It takes a little while just to catch up, but once it's loaded I can then sort of fine tune it and say right, that's the only piece I want. So I clicked on save. This now represents the whole video. Now in here I don't have to watch the whole video because I've seen it many times before. I can just wind forward to where I want to ask a question, and I might say here, the robot is using suckers to pick up a piece of cardboard, so I want to add a question at that particular point. Up the top here I've got different kinds of questions. I've got drawing questions, I've got multi-choice questions, tick box questions. So I want this multi-choice question to go in at this point in the video. So what I'm going to do now is say, okay, I want this question to be, what technology did the robot use to grab the cardboard? And of course it's suction technology, but I'm going to throw in a few answers here and say magnetism. It could have been glue. I can add another choice here. It could be suction, or what else could it be? It could be, say, friction. All right, now let's say I've got those 3 questions in, and I want to say what the correct answer is, which is suction. So I tick the correct answer and say this is correct. So the students will get to see the correct answer. And then I move on through the video. I go on a bit further. I can drag it a bit through and put all sorts of different questions in. It's that easy. When I think I've got all the questions in that I want, I can go to preview and see it the way the students would see it. So I would send them the address, this address up the top here, and they would get a button that says start. They can watch the whole video. I'm actually going to fast forward to that first question and show you what it looks like. So the students now would see the video stop at this point, asks them the question. If I get the wrong answer, I can click on that and go submit. It tells me it's incorrect and I can continue on. Or I could go back to the question and have another go at it until I got it right if I wanted to. Either way, the students are learning the answer to the question I wanted them to understand. If I'm happy with my video, I can click on publish then. Haven't given this lesson a title, I'm just going to call it robot at the moment, and then say publish. So that's published it into my account in Zaption, which is free. Here's the address that I can use, and I can just copy and paste that address into my sector program, and then the students can just click on that link and go and watch the video and learn at their own pace. A fantastic example of flipped classroom technology, Zaption. Give it a go. It's a great resource.